So we'll stay inside. We'll do a nice unboxing. I'll give you a bottle before we do it. Okay. You said okay. All right. Hello everyone, welcome back to AvgJoeWatchReviews, where we do more than just... Give me that cord back. Today we have, once again, special guest, Baby Madison. Would you like to say a few words? Please subscribe. So she said hit that subscribe button down below and smash that notification bell. Right? Yeah, she just smashed it with her head. Give me that back. Give me that. Alright, well, I guess if we're gonna unbox the Coke, we might as well have a Coke. So cheers, everybody. Now, I know a lot of you guys out there like to have beer while you're doing reviews. You like to do the coffee thing. But I think it's really fitting to do the Coke while we unbox the Coke. What do you think? Cheers, baby. All right. So, here we go. So here's the package it comes in. Okay. This is it. I'm going to show you guys exactly how it comes. So this is exactly how it comes. And we're going to take our trusty razor blade. And I'm going to do it away from baby here. And we're going to cut it. Okay. Get it open a little bit there. Okay. Alright, so let's unbox, or should I say unpackage, and then we can unbox. So right away, I can tell you guys that you could see actually the Pagani branding right on the box itself. As you can see, it's got that shield look to it on the bottom, and we've got it also with the packaging right there. So pretty cool design, something that most of you guys probably wouldn't realize. I like to call that the Easter egg, which you had Easter already, right? Yeah, you're just a little bit too young to really know what that is, right? But we'll just keep moving forward. All right? So we got Pagani Design in gold embroidery along with their logo. And the box itself is really nothing to write home about. As you can see, it even got damaged in transit. So, I mean, if I were to make a suggestion to Pagani Design, definitely take more care in packaging, because this came all the way from China. And considering the fact that it only came with this and a little bit of this bubble wrapping packaging, there was no other protection. So, I mean, you know, thank God it didn't get even more damage. So definitely needs to be packaged better. As we open the case, we see kind of a cloth and the Pagani logo, this time in silver embroidery, and you can see that it's not the best of jobs. As you can see, it's a little bit worn right there, but again, for a $100 timepiece, not really expecting much. Comes with a cleaning cloth, and underneath the cleaning cloth we have a beautiful piece. Look at this. This is the Coke from Pagani Design, and as you can see, you have the magnification right there for the date. Now if you look at it straight on, it's a little bit off. You have to actually have it angled, it looks like, in order to see the date. So definitely not Rolex perfection, but it's just a kind of a little bit of a flaw, a little bit of a quirk, you could say. So let's take a look at the bezel action. So the bezel action, let me actually just count the clicks from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a 60 click bezel. There's a lot of backplay. It doesn't feel very high end. It feels very light as you spin it around, but the bezel itself is nice. These are actually etched and they're actually colored in very nicely, as you can see. No luminescence at the pip. Okay. So, and you can hear the bezel action. It's not that great, but it's also not the worst either. All right, so there you go. Let's peel off. So it looks like the only sticker they have here is it's a sapphire sticker, as you can see there. So we'll take that off. I'm a little surprised that there's not a sticker on the top there to protect the glass or the sapphire. But here's a close-up of it. As you can see, it has the Mercedes hands. It's got the lollipop second hand, and you've got the GMT function right there, and that's a red hand. This does have a screw down crown, and let's just see how it is a hacking function, and you can see the GMT hand moves along with everything else there. You click it out one position, and the GMT is one way and the date is the other way. So pretty cool. Actually, I'm very impressed with the action of it. It's not as loose as I thought it would be. So I'm actually pretty impressed by this. Look at that. It engages pretty well. It feels like more, you know, it definitely feels more than a $90 watch. And then you get a screw down on that. That's pretty great. I'm really impressed by this so far. You've got applied indices. You've got 100 meters of water resistant there. You've got crown guards. You've got polishing. And you know what? This is probably the most satisfying part of getting a watch. So we'll peel these stickers off. Here's one there. And here's another right here. Okay, so you can see some high polishing on the sides. All right, and there's even a protective covering on the crown, and the Pagani logo is actually engraved on the crown itself, which is really nice. It's actually more like an embossing, I should say. It's raised, very nice. All right, and we also have some protective stickers on the sides of the case on every side. Okay, there we go. So we got some high polishing on that side as well. We take a look at the back of the case, and you have a signed rotor with some really nice design, like some nice details here. You have Pagani Design. So you have Pagani Design written, or should I say etched on the rotor. Pagani Design logo is actually completely see-through, and there's a couple of notches here. Definitely some nice detail on the rotor. Let me peel this sticker off the case back, and that one gets peeled off just like that. Beautiful exhibition case back here, guys. That is just a beautiful shot. I know that the last run of these Pagani Designs, the non-GMT, has the Seiko NH-35 movement. I'm not sure what's in this movement. I'm going to need to let you guys know in the full review. This one is definitely not an NH-35. I don't even know if this is even a Seiko movement, but if you guys know below, just comment below and let me know. Otherwise, I'll let you guys know in the full review. And then we have stickers on the bracelet itself that I need to get off. And definitely want to check out this clasp. Check that out. It's a really nice looking clasp. Let's see how it functions. There's your safety clasp. And you know what? It's a very nice looking safety clasp because it actually blends into the bracelet itself. It really makes it look like one piece. Because even when you peel it back there, okay, and then we take the bracelet off. Really nice work in here. I mean, this is not a stamp clasp. This is actually a milled clasp. Feels like quality. Definitely one of the nicer clasps that I've seen, especially for this price point. The action's very, it's very positive. I mean, it's boom and boom. So that actually works very well, and it's not hard to get off. Looks like quality. So I'm very impressed. Now this is supposed to have a glide lock system, I believe. So I'll play more. Oh, there we go. Is that right? I'm going to play more with that in the review. And we have some more stuff to peel off. And then I'm going to try this on and show you guys what this baby looks like on the wrist. This is one of the hottest watches out there. I actually got this off of Alibaba, or people say AliExpress, and I got it on the summer sale. So I got it for right around $90, all said and done. So really not a bad price for this watch. So there you go, all the unwrappings. Beautiful looking watch. Let's take a look at it on the wrist. Well, there it is on a 7-inch wrist, guys. As you can see, the colors really pop. It's a beautiful looking watch. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a quick overview and an unboxing of the Pagani Design. Please stay tuned for my next video with the Pagani Design GMT. It'll be the full review of this piece, and I'll give you guys dimensions, the movement, everything, and some of my impressions of me wearing this, because I'm going to wear this for a few days and give you guys some of my impressions. So, well guys, that is the unboxing of the Pagani, and once again she did fall asleep in the middle, but at least you did the intro and you do the outro once again. So here we go. There's always time to be kind to one another. Please take care of each other, and we'll see you guys next time on Average Joe Watch Reviews. Yeah. Good girl.